Hi! In front of me is VIVO X60 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can find all specifications of this Vivo. First of all, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type DevCheck. Following that, you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Over here you can find out all the information about your Vivo's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!